I had asked the question. I brought a couple of things today. If anybody's seen this before.
I've seen it before.
Yeah.
It's down in Oneida.
Oneida?
Yeah.
Yeah, CMO, yeah. And actually what it is it's the original Hiawatha belt, but this is the Iroquois Confederacy or the Haudenosaunee Confederacy. We use this as our flag, actually. And just last week I was down in Newport, Rhode Island, which is just below Providence, down south there. And it was interesting because I told them that that's how far Haudenosaunee would walk right to the coast to get these purple shells, the quahog shells. And they thought that was an interesting story because they're everywhere there. So it's just quite a ways. And what we did when we became a confederacy is we put this together to signify the 5 original nations that came together. Tuscarora came in later on in the 1700s, which is why we are now the 6 nations. Okay, but originally it's 5. And what it is basically a map. So if up top here was north, over here on the east side is the Mohawks. Okay, and then over here is the Oneidas on the inside of that. And what you're looking at basically is the upstate New York. If you look at upstate New York, you see the Finger Lakes region that breaks up into all these territories where we were our original homeland. So in the middle you got the Central Fire with the Onondagas, which is around Syracuse, New York. And then just to the east of them is the Cayugas, and then Seneca's over here on the western door. Okay. You'll notice these little tabs on the ends of those squares there. Those are extensions, so those are like invitations to anybody else who may want to, come and join us. Is what it was said was under the great tree of peace, So it was an invitation. In the 1700s, Tuscarora took us up on that invitation and come and join the Confederacy. Okay, so those shells that were used are actually purple. They got purple in them, and they worked them so that they'd make their wampum beads out of it. And they string them all together. But that's how it was originally made, was the white purple shell. So I thought that was cool, and I go down to Rhode Island every summer and do this. But the organization of Lacrosse down there is growing by leaps and bounds. This is just an introduction of a stick and ball to you guys. But perhaps in the near future, some grants can be made and put together, and some support can be gathered in order for sticks to be provided for the kids here. It would be pretty cool if there was some construction of your traditional sticks. Where did that one go? Your original Ojibwe style or Great Lake style stick. Alright, this is you guys. This is a part of who you are. Right? So just that story that the buddy of mine that was supposed to be coming from Minnesota would have brought more of these sticks as well. But what's encouraging is they're making them out there. Okay, they're giving sticks away to kids. Okay, so it's keeping that connection going.
I have complete confidence in your ability to catch it.